Okay, now with this question from G exam. Question is, we have function fx. Fx is modulus of ax minus b plus c into modulus of x for all x belongs to R, where a, b and c are positive real numbers. Then we have to find the condition if function fx attains minimum value at one point. That means function fx has exactly one point of minimum. In that case, we have to find the condition. Function तो simple है. Modulus of x is non-differentiable at 0. This is non-differentiable at b upon a. Okay, so we mark these points on coordinate plane. In fact, we want to draw the graph of function. तो पहले points of non-differentiability को mark करते हैं. We have here 0 and here b upon a. Points of non-differentiability. Okay. These 2 points will be critical points also, where function can have maxima or minima. ठीक है ना? Now for graph we need branch functions. We need branch functions for x less than 0, for x lying between 0 and b upon a, and for x greater than b upon a. हमें इन 3 regions में branch functions चाहिए. लिखते हैं branch functions. For x less than 0, for x less than 0, modulus of x will be minus x, and this will be b minus ax. Okay, here b upon a is positive, understood है, because a, b and c are positive real numbers. तो x less than 0 के लिए ये क्या होगा? ये होगा b minus ax. Okay, so we get function y is equal to b minus a plus c into x. Okay. Now this is linear function. Graph will be straight line. Slope is negative. Slope is minus a minus inside brackets a plus c, जो negative होगा because a and c are positive real numbers. The slope is negative and y-intercept is b. Okay. तो line कैसे होगा? Line will be like this. Okay. Slope is negative and y-intercept is b. Then what will be branch function for this region? यहाँ पे क्या होगा branch function? It will be y is equal to modulus of x will be x, because now x is positive, but x is less than b upon a, so this will be b minus ax. Okay, so y will be b plus c minus a into x. Straight line having slope c minus a and y-intercept b. In fact, this is continuous function. Function तो continuous है, बस ये दो जगह पे नॉन डिफरेंशिएबल है. कंटिन्यूस तो होगा, है ना? देन व्हाट विल बी ग्राफ? ग्राफ कैसे होगा? ग्राफ इज स्ट्रेट लाइन, बट हाउ दिस लाइन विल बी ओरिएंटेड? स्लोप कैन बी नेगेटिव और पॉजिटिव और जीरो. इट डिपेंड्स ऑन वैल्यूज ऑफ सी एंड ए. ओके, स्लोप नेगेटिव भी हो सकता है, पॉजिटिव भी हो सकता है, जीरो भी हो सकता है. वो ए एंड सी के ऊपर डिपेंड करेगा. So what do we consider here? 3 cases. First case, c less than a. If slope is negative, then c will be less than a. Okay. Then line will be like this. Line इस तरह से होगा ना, because slope is negative. तो line का orientation इस तरह से होगा. Okay. Then we draw the graph for x more than b upon a. For x more than b upon a, function y will be, for x more than b upon a, this will be x and this will be ax minus b. Okay, so y will be a plus c into x minus b. Now slope of this line is always positive. A and c are positive, तो slope हमेशा positive होगा. So line will be like this. Line इस orientation में होगा ना. Okay. Now tell me, do you see any point of minima? Yes, b upon a is point of minima and this is the only point of minima. ठीक है ना? b upon a point of minima है और ये एक लौता point of minima है जहाँ पे function को जहाँ पे function का value minimum होगा. Okay, so this is required condition for exactly one point of minima, that c is less than a. This is required condition, one of the required conditions. Okay, now we consider other cases. Now we consider case c greater than a, means slope is positive. So in this region, line will be like this. In fact, we have line segment, orientation will be like this because slope is positive. And slope of this line is always positive. So here in this region, line will be like this. In fact, we have here ray. Okay, we have ray, line segment and ray. Okay. Now here in this case also we have exactly one point of minima. Exactly one point of minima है. कहाँ पे है वो? At x is equal to 0. 0 is point of minima. Exactly one point of minima. So this is also required condition. C greater than A. Okay. Either C less than A or C greater than A. Okay. Now we consider the case when C is equal to A. So we consider the case C is equal to A. For C is equal to A, slope will be 0. Then in this region, we will have this line segment. A line segment parallel to x-axis because slope 0 है. And slope of this line is always positive. So here in this region, line will be like this. In fact, ray. Okay. Now here we have infinite points of minima. इस केस में points of minima कितने होंगे? There will be infinite points of minima. All the points between 0 and b upon a, including 0 and b upon a, are points of minima. ये जो सारे points हैं 0 and b upon a के बीच में, इन दोनों points को include करके ये सारे points of minima है. So here we have infinite number of points of minima. But we want exactly one point of minima. So this is not the required condition. Okay. C A के इक्वल नहीं हो सकता, अदरवाइज हमें इन्फाइनाइट नंबर ऑफ पॉइंट्स ऑफ मिनिमा मिलेंगे. हमें सिर्फ एक पॉइंट ऑफ मिनिमा चाहिए. तो C या तो लेस देन A होगा या तो C मोर देन A होगा. दैट मीन्स C इज नॉट इक्वल टू A. इन दोनों को कंबाइन करके कैसे लिख सकते हैं ना? C इज नॉट इक्वल टू A. फॉर दिस कंडीशन देयर विल बी एग्जैक्टली वन पॉइंट ऑफ मिनिमा. तो एक बहुत अच्छा क्वेश्चन है. हम ग्राफिकल अप्रोच यूज करें, यूजिंग ग्राफिकल अप्रोच. ओके. एक और क्वेश्चन ट्राई करते हैं.